good morning. Welcome to our pre-kinder level class, and this is our recorded class. The date today is October 4, 2021, and today it is a Monday. We always say good morning. Now, how about for our review? Let's check. We need to practice counting from 1 to 30. So, how about you count with me on your seats there? Are you ready? Let's start first with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. We counted from 1 to 30. Now, how about let's jump to another part of our class. This time, let's meet our sight words. So let's check what are the words that we have for this week. We have the word that. T, H, A, and the letter T makes the word that. So how about we use it in a sentence? That. We have the word that. That dinosaur fossil is in the museum. A long time ago, there lived dinosaurs in our land. But there's no more dinosaurs here. We are only left with the bones of our dinosaurs. And the bones of the dinosaurs, you call it fossil. Now this one, that dinosaur fossil is in the museum. How about let's move to the next sentence for that. We have the word that. I see that machine is for making donuts. Now, in a factory, they make lots of donuts and they will need a machine to make that donuts for our donut shops. So we have the word that. THP, that. Another one. We have the word that again. That girl is dancing ballet. That girl is dancing ballet. Ballet is a kind of dance. And the girl wearing tutu is dancing ballet. What else? What other words do we have? We have the word see. S-E-E, that's the word see. You use your eyes to see. Now, how about we move to our sentence for see? S-E-E, we have the word see. I see the boy playing drums. I see the boy playing drums. We have the word see. What else? Our sentence see. S-E-E-C. Do you see the doctor doing a checkup? So when you're in the hospital, you do a checkup, the doctor will check on you. So we have the word see, S-E-E-C. And how about another sentence for see, S-E-E-C. I want to see the excavator dig dirt. We have the word see in our sentence, and the big machine in the construction sites that the builders use to dig is an excavator. So we have the word see in our sentence, see. Now, how about we move to the next part of our class? We're done already with our sight words. Last time, we did what number? It was all about number 3 last Friday. That's our lesson. What are the letters in our word 3? T, H, R, E, N, E. That's the word 3. T, H, R, E, N, E, 3. So remember, we have number 3, the word 3. And let's write it here. T-H-R-E-N-E, that is 3. Now, how about we move to our next work here? We have to cover all the number threes in the chart. So let's check. Let's put them all here. The X's should go in the number 3. Did I finish marking X? Oh, sorry, marking number 3 with an X. Oh, I think there's some more. We need to put some more. Am I done? Can you check for me? Not yet. We still have one more. So we covered all the number threes. Now let's move to our sentence for number 3. Let's match our sentences with their pictures. I see number 3. Is this the number 3? Yes, this is number 3. Next one. I see 7 markers. Did I make a line? Yes, that's also the 7 markers. Last one. I see 3 candles. Do we have the candles here? Yes, we match them all. Remember last time we had number 3. How about for our lesson? Today we have the letter D. And remember, the sound of D is all the letters make a sound. The sound of D is the letter D. Now, D is for our dog here. Capital D and lowercase d. And we have the letters D, O, and G for the word dog. Let's circle the letter D. This is lowercase d and this is capital letter D. Remember, even though capital D and lowercase d don't look alike, they have the same sound, the sound letter D. And this one, how do we make our capital letter D? Straight line to the ground. Then take a break. Half circle around is what you'll make. This is capital letter D, the big D. And for your lowercase d, how do we make it? Circle around to the left like a shiny new dime, then a straight line down, and it takes no time. You have your letter D, lowercase d. Now, how about we move on to our letter D's here? Let's cover all the D's with donuts. Let me check. Am I done? Did I cover all the D's? Do you think I covered all the letter D's? Oh, not yet. There's some more. This one, am I done? Not yet. Not yet. How about this one? Am I done? Yes, I covered all the D's with donut because donut begins with letter D, the sound. Now, how about for the things that go in D, the ones with the D sound? Let's circle them. Do we circle cup? Is it for letter D? No, cup is for letter C. How about the duck? Yes, duck goes in letter D. Dinosaur. Yes, it goes in D. And how about drum? Yes, drum goes in letter D. So those are some things that go in D. Now, how about we sort our capital and lowercase d? Remember, capital letter D, that's the big D. Lowercase d, it's the lowercase small d. Let's move on to sorting our D's. This is, what's this? Lowercase. And this one, it's capital. We have capital. This one is lowercase. Capital again. And then lowercase. Lowercase. This is lowercase. We have capital. And another one is capital. So we sorted all our D's, capital and lowercase d. Now let's move on to our work time. Now I might not have the same pictures as your work, but we almost have the same work. So first one, we have the word see. Let's make our word see. Remember, let's trace S-E-E. That is the word see. S-E-E. See. Don't forget to write your name at the top. So I will write Teacher Bell. This is my name. I will put it here on the screen. Now, how about for writing the word see? S-E-E. See. S-E-E. See. So we have the word see. Let's color C. The letters in C. S-E-E. See. And let's color all the C words. Let's find them. You can use your dabber to dab all the C words. What about the pictures that go in the letters for C? S is for the star, E is for elephant, E is for egg. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you're done. Are you done? Let's move to the next one. This time, let's do again the word C. Let's trace and write S-E-E-C. S-E-E-C. Let's continue tracing and writing the word C. Let's write in the box S-E-E-C. S-E-E-C. Let's color all the things that go in C. S is for the star, and S is for slide. E is for the elephant, and E for egg. E is for the elbow, E for elephant. Let's spell out our C word. S, E, E, that's the word C. Let's move on to our next page. This time, what do we have here? You have your booklet. I want you to trace and write your capital and lowercase letter D. And don't forget your name. So I have my name here, Teacher Bell. You have to trace and write your letters for your name. And then how about for our next page now? The order of my work wouldn't be the same as yours, but I want you to do your work there. So I have letter D for the dancer. D is for the dancer. And you have to color also your picture there. So I have the ballerina. She's a kind of dancer. D is for dancer. How about another one? We have letter D for the doctor, the one who checks up on you if you have any health problems. So let's color. D is for the doctor. Let me color all the spaces. D is for the doctor. So they check if you have a healthy heart by using a special instrument called the stethoscope, just like here. That's the doctor. And how about we read? D is for doctor. We have the word doctor. Next one. D is for an animal that barks. It's the dog. We have D for the dog. D is for the dog. When it wags its tail, that dog is happy to see you. We have the word dog. D is for dog. How about the next one? Let's move to the next page. This time, we have our duck. We have letter D for the duck. And you know what? The baby duck, you call it a duckling. So we have our duck here. The ducks like to swim in the pond. D is for the duck. D is for duck. We have our duck. What else? We have another D word. D is for a yummy snack. This is the donut. D is for donut. Oops, sorry. Let me use my coloring tool. So we have D for donut. You can eat this one as a snack when you're hungry. And it's yummy if you also want sprinkles on top of your donut. D is for donut. Now, what else is for letter D? We have the last one. You cannot go in and out of your house without the door. D is for door. Let's color our door here. I want it in red. A red door. So let's color this one. When you color, try to color the inside of your lines. Try not to go out of your lines when you color. Let me color this one. D is for the door. The door. So we have our door here. D is for door. We have the door. It's a nice door. And then how about we move to the next page? Now, if you're not yet done, you can pause the video, play it again once you're done with your work there. This one, we have our capital and lowercase letter D. So you have to trace your D's. Let's look for our capital D first. Let's circle all our capital letter D's. Where are all the capital D's? You have to mark and count them. Let's see. How about we count them all? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have 16 capital letter D's. And how about we write it here? That's 16. For our lowercase d's, let's circle all our lowercase d's pink so that we will know this is, oops, sorry, teacher forgot one more. Our capital D should be 17. I forgot this one, that's 17. Now, for our lowercase letter d's, we need to circle them all and we will mark and count also. Okay? So that we won't get lost. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That makes 11. So we have 17 capital D's and 11 lowercase letter d's. How about for the next word? Now, in my work here, I have capital D and I should color it red. So it says there in your work, you need to color capital letter D red. So all the spaces that shows capital D, that is red. Let's color this one. Remember to color only the inside of your letter D. And for lowercase d is green. Let's color this one green. Lowercase letter D is green. Now you have the letter D. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, you can pause the video and play it again. The next one, let's spell out the letter D words. First one, we have the word dam, D-A-M, dam. You can put a lot of water in the dam. It keeps the water. Next one, D is for dig, D-I-G, dig. I will dig for dinosaur bones or fossils. Number 3, we have the word did, D-I-D, did. I did the work. Number 4, I also have dad, D-A-D, dad. My dad will help me do my worksheet. Number 5, I have the word den, D-E-N, den. The lions stay in the den. Number 6, we have the word dog, D-O-G, dog. The dog barks a lot. And then number 7, we have the word dug, D-U-G, dug. I dug the treasure. Number 8, we have the word dip, D-I-P, dip. I will dip my chip in the cheese dip. We have the word dip. Number 9, dot, D-O-T, dot. I saw the dot on top of my paper, dot. And the last one, we have the word dim, D-I-M, dim. When you have little light and it's dark, that is dim. So what are the D words again? We have dam, dig, did, dad, den, dog, dug, dip, dot, and dim. Those are the D words for our spelling set. And when you're done doing your spelling and your other worksheets, let's continue. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, finish first your work. Since you're finished doing your work, you can now open your dinosaur egg. I want you to find what dinosaur do you have there. And since you're done finishing all the work, I will also give your sticker friend. Now, you weren't here in our class, Julius and Kyle. So I will choose for you, Julius, I will put you here in tracker, and Kyle, I will put you here in Rocky. I will see you in Wednesday because tomorrow is our schedule for asynchronous class. I won't meet you, but there's a recorded class that you have to watch. I will see you all on Wednesday. Bye bye. Please finish your work.